So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your website and then send that copy to me. So when you log into Wix, your dashboard is going to load to your website, and all you need to do is go to Quick Actions right here, and you will say Duplicate Site. This little window will pop up, and it will have a site name. You can rename this if you'd like. It automatically puts copy in there. I typically just leave it so I know which is which. And then I say Duplicate. As soon as I've done that, this little green bar will pop up saying that it was duplicated successfully. So now I can go back to my sites. This dashboard is going to look a little bit different than the one that you have. But right here is the copy that I made, Shaka Designs copy. And all that I need to do is just hover over these three little dots right here. And then I can say transfer. This window will pop up, and then you'll want to enter in my email address, which is info@shakadesigns.com. And then it won't have this red error. It's because it knows it's my account. And then go ahead and uncheck this box right here, and then this button will highlight, and you can click next. I'll get a notification that you've sent me the transfer, and as soon as I accept that transfer, you will also get a notification that I have accepted it.